Good morning, everyone. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 19th of June. US threats for additional tariffs. According to media, on Monday evening, President Trump said that he gave instructions to fine Chinese imports at an aggregate value of about $200 billion for additional tariffs of 10%. The announcement was made after China announced its retaliation measures, which were considered as unfair by the White House. President Trump also stated that additional tariffs could be placed should there be further Chinese retaliations. If the situation escalates, we could see safe havens strengthening even further. USD JPY dropped considerably during today's Asian morning, breaking the 110.40 support level, now turned to resistance. The drop reflected the strengthening of the yen as a safe haven. We could see the current course of the pair continuing as uncertainty, especially about the US-Sino trade tensions, remains, and the pair could continue to be sensitive to such headlines. Should the pair continue to be under a selling interest, we could see it breaking the 109.75 support line and aim for the 108.95 support barrier. Should it find buying orders along its path, we could see it correcting and breaking the 110.40 resistance level. May defeated in the House of Lords. On Monday evening, the UK House of Lords voted an amendment to enable the UK Parliament for a meaningful vote on Brexit. The vote constitutes another defeat for Theresa May's government, which will have to face a second vote about the same issue in the House of Commons. Pro-EU rebels could be voting in favour of the amendment, providing instability for Theresa May's government. Market seems to be in a wait-and-see position currently, but further negative headlines could weaken the pound. GBP USD continued to move in a sideways manner on Monday and during today's Asian morning between the 132.15 support line and the 133.30 resistance line. We could see the pair continue its sideways movement today. However, the pair may be under higher volatility if there are headlines about tomorrow's vote in the House of Commons and Brexit. Should the bulls take over, we could see it breaking the 133.30 resistance line, while should the bears be in charge, we could see it clearly breaking the 132.15 support line and aim for the 131.25 support level. Germany in political uncertainty. The coalition supporting the German government could prove to be unstable and dissolve if the three parties do not find common ground on the immigration issue. German Chancellor Merkel accepted a 2-week ultimatum yesterday, practically to strike a new EU deal on immigration. The ultimatum was given by CSU, one of the ruling parties, and if there is no agreement in the next EU summit, Germany's government could destabilize, with wider repercussions on EU's asylum policy. Further developments on the before-mentioned matter could create further volatility for the common currency. In today's other economic highlights, in the European session, we get Eurozone's current account balance for April, and in the American session, we get the number of US building permits and housing starts for May. As for speakers, ECB's President Mario Draghi and Chief Economist Peter Pryat, as well as FOMC member James Bullard, speak at ECB's Central Bank Forum in Sintra, Portugal. For more information, please read the full comment on IronFX or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.